Good morning, first graders. So our lesson this week that I'm going to share with you has to do with it being Week of Respect. So it's Week of Respect, Monday, October 5th until Friday, October 9th. So your teacher may have shared with you the Spirit Week handout so that you can see different things that we're doing throughout the week. There's a pajama day, there's a team gear day, there's a parkway school gear day, bright socks, bright colors, all different things that we can do to show respect throughout the week. So we want to talk first about what respect is. I'm not sure. I'm thinking some of you may have an idea, but putting it into words is sometimes a little bit harder than actually knowing what it is. So respect is treating other people the way you want to be treated. So I know many of you are familiar with the golden rule, which is treat others the way you want to be treated, because oftentimes if we are kind to someone, it's going to motivate them to be kind back to us. So we want to make sure that we are always being kind and helpful, and not hurtful to others. So that's the first thing, is you want to treat other people the way you want to be treated. Be courteous and polite. So what does that mean? Using your manners, please, thank you, you're welcome, not interrupting, saying excuse me. These are all ways that we can be polite, not only to adults, but also to other students and kids that we're playing with. Another thing that goes along with respect is listening to what other people have to say. It's very, very important that oftentimes when we work in groups, it's pretty easy to take over and think that you have the best idea. But when we listen to others, sometimes we might see that they thought of something that we didn't even think of, and it was a really good idea. So it's always important to make sure that you listen to what everybody has to say and take it all in before you make a decision about something. So then there is also being respectful means not insulting people or making fun of them or calling them names, because that doesn't make us feel good. So if we want to treat other people the way we want to be treated, then we shouldn't be calling people names. So we want to use kind words at all times. Don't bully or pick on others. So one of the things that we like to talk about here at Parkway especially is that everybody is equal, everybody is included here. So part of our theme for this week is going along with a story called The Big Umbrella, which I'm going to read to you. But it goes along with the idea that everybody in Parkway fits under this big umbrella. It doesn't matter if you're tall or short, dark hair, light hair, brown eyes, blue eyes, it doesn't matter. Everybody fits under this umbrella, and we all treat each other kindly, and we all work together to make things as smooth as possible. So some other things are not judging something before you get to know them. I bet there's been a time where mom or dad has put something down at the dinner table and you automatically say, I don't like that, but you never even tried it. So you might find that if you give it a try, it might end up being something that you really like. So the same thing goes with people. Don't judge someone before you get to know them. Make sure that you include everyone. Give somebody a chance and find out first what they're really about. And like the book, The Big Umbrella states, we want to include everyone under our umbrella. Okay, so I want you to think about a few things. How do you think it might feel when someone shows disrespect? And I want you to think about that for a second. How would it feel when someone shows disrespect? And I know to me, it doesn't feel good, okay? It's not treating somebody the way that you want to be treated. So if you wouldn't want someone to do it to you, then don't do it to someone else. Okay, what is a way that you can respect other students? We talked about including everyone, no matter what they look like, no matter how different they may be, everybody's included. Using your manners would be a way to respect your teachers. Please, thank you, no interrupting. And those are some of the manners that you can use across the board, not just with your teachers, but maybe when you go out to eat, maybe even talking with mom and dad, they would enjoy those manners as well. And what I want you to think about this one. What would happen to bullying if everybody showed respect? Think about that. Would we even have it? If everybody treated everybody the way that they wanted to be treated, would we even have a problem with bullying? The answer is probably no. So we want to make sure that we are always going out there being the best that we can be and being as kind as we can be to everyone. So moving along to our Week of Respect book, it's called The Big Umbrella. Some of you might know it. It's by Amy June Bates, and the whole school is going to be focusing on this book throughout the month of October. So The Big Umbrella. By the front door, there is an umbrella. It is big. See it down here. It is a big, friendly umbrella. It likes to help. So you can see there, the leaves are kind of brushing off of the top of it. It likes to spread its arms wide. So it's spread out and it's protecting him from the rain. It loves to give shelter. So here's someone else joining under the umbrella. It loves to gather people in. So the numbers are growing. So now we have 4 people under the umbrella. It doesn't matter if you are tall. See, we can only see the feet, so it's somebody really, really tall. Or hairy. See this one? Oh, looks like the tall person fit under the umbrella over there. I bet you're going to think that who's going to be under the next page. I'm sure this one. There he is. Or plaid, which is the pattern on the jacket. That's called plaid. Doesn't matter how many legs you have. So here comes the dog. We're going to include the dog under the umbrella. Some people worry that there won't be enough room under the big umbrella. See how there's more and more people squeezing under, and that umbrella just keeps getting bigger and bigger. But the amazing thing is, there is. Look how many people are under there. Here's the umbrella, just happy. There is always room. So as you can see, the umbrella is covering over everybody because everybody is together. Everybody is allowed under this umbrella. So I want you to picture how big Parkway School's umbrella has to be for every student, every teacher, everybody at Parkway to fit under it. Pretty big, right? But it's just our way of saying everybody deserves to be included, and we want to make sure that we include everyone no matter what they look like or whether they are different from us. Everybody is included under Parkway's big umbrella. So here's what I'm going to ask you to do. I want you each to take a piece of blank paper, and I want you to do your best to draw a self-portrait, which means I want you to draw a picture of you. And make it so that it's pretty much just your face and then your hair. And I want you to show every detail that you can think of about you. And then hopefully your teacher will be able to have you all show your self-portraits, and you'll see that not one of those portraits looks exactly the same, but that's okay because we're all under the same umbrella. And then I'm hoping as you have your portraits up that your teacher can take a screenshot so that we can print up that photo of your class with their portraits, and we can hang it from the umbrella that we're going to have in the school lobby. So remember, always be respectful and remember to include everybody under our big umbrella. Bye guys, have a good day.